Fourth question is, a batsman hits a cricket ball which then rolls on a level ground. After covering a short distance, the ball comes to rest. The ball slows to a stop because when he is hitting a ball, it will cover some of the distance on the level ground, and after that, after some period of time, it will stop. What will be the reason behind this? The batsman did not hit the ball hard enough. Velocity is proportional to the force exerted on the ball. There is a force on the ball opposing the motion. There is no unbalanced force on the ball, so ball would want to come to rest. So among this C option is correct because there will be always an unbalanced external force acting on an object, and because of that the object will come to rest in practical situation. In ideal situation, if there is no external unbalanced force, then object will move and continue to do so forever. But this will not happen because the person has hit the ball, it has covered some distance, and eventually it will stop because of the friction force, because of the external unbalanced force applicable on that. So C is, there is a force on the ball opposing the motion. So when ball is moving in this direction, on opposite direction, the friction force will be applicable on that. This will be in opposite direction. So that's why they are saying opposing the motion. Means it will be in the opposite direction of the motion.